but The Rock is cooking.
Hello guys, welcome to Queries Resolved. In today's segment, we'll see how to partition our hard disk drive into various volumes based on our own size allocation. Well, the partition volumes are the drives that store our data. For instance, if you look into the File Explorer, we find various disk drives C, F and G as per my naming. So these are the storage which consists of the program files and various other things which you wish to store on your device. So where the problem comes, at times these partitions do not come individually. The whole partition comes into a single volume as the whole size of the hard disk. For instance, a few of my friends had this issue when they purchased a new laptop. They got their whole hard disk of 1 TB or 2 TB into a single partition. This made them confused, like how do they partition it? So it's time to resolve their queries now. So it's very simple. All you have to do is follow me carefully. First go to the search bar and then type disk and then click on create and format hard disk partitions option. So we get this disk management window out here which displays the details of all the volumes of various partitions in our device along with their allocated space and space that is free. So for now I'll try to partition my G drive into a sub partition. For that, what you have to do is select this G drive, right click on it and then click on shrink volume, and in this box you'll have to provide the amount of space to which this G drive must shrink. So for instance, if you want to create a free unallocated space of 10 GB, you'll have to enter 10,000 since the data to be entered is in MBs. So we'll try to allocate 100 GB free space. So for that we'll have to enter 1 lakh. So after the shrink, the size in G drive will be 2,99,999. So click shrink and we get a free space of 97.66 GB since some amount of data gets reserved for the memory of the system. So now we'll go into the naming of this free space into a new disk partition. For that, select it and right click on it, then click new simple volume. You'll get directed to this new simple volume wizard. You'll have to click next. Here you can do the naming of your volume or partition. So I'll just name it Z. Click next, continue, then finish this. This might take a while. Okay, so we find that our new partition has been made successfully in the name of volume Z, and Explorer verifies this as well by opening it. So to verify, we'll just right click on this and check the properties. Okay, so the free space is same, so we have allocated a new partition. So this was disk partitioning. Now what if someone wants to combine the partition into one single volume? We can do this as well using the same procedure with little variations. For that, you'll have to select the volume which you want to combine, right click on it and then delete the volume. So before deleting the volume, make sure that you have backed up all the data present in it and then click yes. So this is the free space again. Now select the volume which you want to combine with this free space and then right click it. Then click on extend volume. You will go to this extend volume wizard, click next, and then finish it. We find that the free unallocated space has combined and merged with this volume G as selected. So this was the simplest way to partition your disk drives and volumes, and as well as combine them, because there is no need of any additional software. So this is the end of today's segment. This is Vikram Parikh signing off. Your queries, my solutions. Thank you.